good one. Ah, they fight hard, but oh, this one's good size. Oh,
Good size for what? For your pond?
yeah.
Oh, you say you only wanted the male ones.
Yeah, but I could keep from the male. Female, maybe they make eggs, they make babies.
Okay, you say so.
Yeah, they make babies.
Here's how many he has so far for
I
his
got
pond.
3. So this bluegills going to my pond at home. Oh yeah, I got him. Oh, it's a female. See, the female is ugly. No red.
Very plain.
Very, yeah. Goodbye. Oh, here we go. Hopefully a good one. Ah.
Another
Tiny.
small one.
Man, I can't find any jumbo. Alright guys, so hopefully we can catch a jumbo. Bluegill. Oh yeah. Oh, no, like this one's a male. Oh yeah, this is a pretty one. Oh yeah, the male looks very nice. See the color? This is a male right here. All right, it's gonna be good for my fish pond. Oh yeah. Well, this one fight. Hopefully it's a big one. Oh man. Oh, it's okay, but it's a female. It doesn't look pretty. Alright, I'm not gonna keep it. I'm just gonna throw it back. Oh yeah, here we go. This one heavy. Hopefully it's a big one. And hopefully it's a male. Oh no, it's a female. Man. Yeah, see? The female is ugly. Alright, there you go. Go back. Alright, so I only want to keep the male, the pretty one, and I want to put on my fish pond at home. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no, another small one. Damn it. Another female. 2 fish on this worm. Oh yeah. Oh, what the heck? Ooh. Ooh. Something big. The heck? Something big. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, the heck? What is it? Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, crap. What is it? Oh man, I only got 4 pounds on this thing right here. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh man, let it get tired first. I wonder what it is. Big old catfish. All right, he's tired now. All right. I was gonna have to look for a place to land this fish. Maybe over there. Oh my God, that's a big old catfish. Oh my God, that's a big old catfish down there, guys. Oh. All right. I need to land this somewhere. I don't know where. Ah. Oh man, I have to go over here. So I can land this catfish. All right. Ooh. Oh man, that's a big old catfish, guys. Whoa. Never see that big. Melting Lake. Look at that, guys. Whoa! Look at this, guys. Big old catfish. Whew, huge. I'm gonna show my wife and then I'm gonna let it go. Hey, look. I don't know, I was fishing for bluegills today. He came by and I took my bait. Huh? What? Yeah. What? No, I just want to show you. Alright guys, so I just want to show my wife I caught this catfish in
Big size.
yeah, in other side. I was just fishing for bluegills and then this guy came by and I took my bait.
They don't like anchovy today. Big catfish don't like anchovy today.
Here we go. Bye. See ya. Oh man. That was good. We're back home already, so this is my pond right here. So we're going to look at the fish that we caught from the lake. All right, so I'm gonna put the underwater camera so you guys can see the fish. Oh, they already come out to my hand. All right, so I'm just gonna feed them with some red worm. Here we go. Alright guys, so I think I fed them enough already. I'm gonna save some of the worm for some other day. But yeah, so this is how my pond look. It's about 10 foot long and about 5 foot wide. Alright guys, so thanks for watching and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.